everyone, my name is Anna Bean and I am on a mission. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this surprise junk journaling box from Stephanie Collins. Stephanie is an incredible person. She's extremely talented and just all around beautiful. I love her. I consider her a dear friend. And I bought this from her in December. And I received it last week. So I'm going to open it with you on my channel. And she's doing this quarterly. And she now has one available. Her next box is available now on her website. I will link it below. And she did not send this to me for free. I paid for this. So let's see what's inside. Thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, and she wrote me a sweet, sweet little card. Thank you, Stephanie. Look how pretty. Ooh. Oh, it's beautiful. And this isn't tissue paper. This is like a fabric. Oh, and you can absolutely use that in your junk journal. She has a junk journaling playlist on her YouTube channel as well. So I will link that and the link to her shop in the description below. All right, let's see. It's so soft. It feels so nice. Look. You know what she did? Oh my goodness. So I did an Advent junk journaling box in December, and it had stamps in it. And these are the stamps. She made this. Oh my goodness. These are two of the stamps that was in her box that she got from me. Oh, that just made my heart so happy. There we go. I zoomed in some so you can see it better. Oh, I'm excited. I'm going to set this stuff aside, and it's a little envelope that she made. Oh, look, and it's full of goodies. Absolutely stuffed full. Look, oh, I love it. That is paper, vellum paper. Look, I cannot wait to start my junk journal. And I planned on doing that in January. January got away from me. These are adorable. Little stamp. Oh, I love this. That feels like it might be a sticker. These are beautiful. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love it. Oh, look, and it's just so many of them. Look at how fun these are. Oh, Steph, I love this. That's a sticker. That feels like a sticker, too. Oh, I'm excited. These are stickers. Look at them. Oh, Steph, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love these little stamps. Oh, cute. Cute. Super cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so inspiring. I am absolutely inspired. Look at that. I love the color. Oh, wow. That's like a picture of a lake that's sparkling. I love, and blue's my favorite color. Look at that teal. Wow. How pretty. That feels like a sticker too. Nice. Oh, Stephanie, this is so beautiful. Yeah, so it looks like you sealed it with washi tape with some grid washi. Oh wait, there's another little guy in here. You make sure if you get one of these, double check. Look in there. Look. Oh, I love this. How fun. Okay. Now this is so pretty. And look, she used a wax seal to seal it. Oh, I love the special touches. She really put in a lot of work for this box. I know she made more handmade items in here too. Oh, I ripped it. Okay. Wow, this one is super full again. Oh, this feels like cardstock. Look at how it's done. Isn't that neat? I'm not sure what it is. I mean, I know what it is. I know what to do with it, but it has this texture on the back. Isn't that neat? And there's several of them. Oh, and I love this color. Look how pretty. It's like a little receipt from Jackson's Plants. Oh, look. Ooh, that is so pretty with the morning glories. Oh, and the daisies. Roses. Oh, and look, journaling cards. So you can tuck these in or tape them down. And they all have this really neat texture on the back. Stephanie, you're going to have to let us know in the comments. Did you paste this texture down? Wow. Wow. I love these so much. So what I'm using my junk journal for is I am making it for my son to give to him when he's older. And I'm going to put little life hacks in there and just love notes. And I'm going to give it to him, I don't know when he's older and he can appreciate it. He's 10, so if it takes me a while to work on it, I have plenty of time. But I do want to get started. Look at this little guy. One milk token. I love the colors. Oh, wow, look. And this again has that neat fabric on the back. I don't know if it's fabric or paper. It's so neat, though. Fudge, candy, and groceries at the general store. Oh, that's neat. Okay. Look at this. A little album. Oh, yay. Oh, the washi strips. Look how pretty. So, this is for when you purchase her boxes. I bet you'll get one of these in each one so that you can fill up your little washi samples. Isn't that pretty? It's like some gold lettering. I want to open these. Let's pull some off here. Oh, that is beautiful. That is so beautiful. And I love this because I keep my junk journaling separate, my materials separate from my planning materials. So I can have this just really handy. And I love it all so much. How neat. And that is on, it feels like a credit card, but it's blank. How neat. And blue, my favorite color. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, sticker sheets. Oh, look, she made these. It's from Steph's Design Space. She made these little sheets. Oh, Steph, I love it. This is absolutely adorable. It's more than adorable. It's beautiful. Look at those. Wow. These flowers are gorgeous. Oh, and I love this. It's kind of like a little cameo. Oh, how pretty. Oh, these are the cards, the tags that she made. I'm a paperclip nut. This is so adorable. It's going somewhere special. It says wish. A tag that you can insert. Oh, look how she did this. That is brilliant, Steph. You can put this at the top of your journal and tape it in or glue it down. Or tuck it in a little envelope. Oh, look how pretty. That it feels good. It's very soft. Yeah, I bet she made these out of scrapbooking paper and then cut them out, probably stamped it and then aged the back of it. Stephanie, these are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Look how many. There's so many of them. Oh, wow. I love these blank ones too. How fun. Another one with some lace at the top. These are gorgeous, Steph. Ooh, I bet this is a little journal. It sure is. How sweet. I love the garden rose on the front. Oh, Steph, I love it. And I love you. Thank you for being such a wonderful, wonderful friend. I'm going to absolutely enjoy using these. Yeah, so guys, yeah, I'm going to link it below so that you can go get your hands on one. And each one is different every quarter. She's only doing 4 a year. Don't remember what they cost. I don't remember. I should have looked that up. I didn't even think about it until now. But, oh, that's so pretty. All right, well, you guys have a super blessed day. I love you guys so much. I pray that you just prosper and be in health even as your soul prospers. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.